Hey, it's busesforsale.com. Taking a quick look at this Gillig 40 passenger ADA compliant transit bus. See, I got the ADA ramp down there. It is powered by a Cummins diesel engine, automatic transmission. Has a Thermo King air conditioning unit in the back. As we come along the side here, we're gonna take a look underneath. For more detailed pictures, please visit us at busesforsale.com. We'll also take a quick look at the inside. Again, you can see the ADA ramp is down. This is a kneeling bus. Quick view of the driver's area, and we'll take a look at the seats. These seats here fold up just like those seats to allow for wheelchairs to sit. Seats are in excellent condition. Also features seat belts. It is a hot day today, so we got the air conditioner running. Again, for more detailed pictures, please visit us at busesforsale.com. Thank you.